Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Chrysler 300 headlight bulb using an easy method. First, always prioritize safety by parking your car on a level surface and turning off the engine. You will need a few basic tools, including an 8mm socket and a screwdriver. Before starting, check your owner's manual to confirm the exact bulb type for your specific model. This ensures you have the correct replacement ready. Accessing the headlight bulb on the driver's side requires a few extra steps. Begin by loosening the 3 screws located along the front of the airbox cover. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver or an 8mm socket for this. Next, remove the single 8mm bolt at the front edge of the lower airbox. Once these are loose, firmly pull the bottom half of the airbox out of the engine bay, setting it aside for now. Now, for both the driver and passenger sides, locate the round black plastic dust cover behind the headlight housing. Twist this cover 1/4 turn counterclockwise to remove it. Next, rotate the base of the old bulb 1/4 turn counterclockwise and carefully pull it straight out. Disconnect the electrical plug by firmly pushing its release tab. When installing the new bulb, avoid touching the glass. Insert it, then twist 1/4 turn clockwise to secure it. With the new bulb securely in place, reconnect the electrical plug, ensuring it clicks firmly. Then, replace the round black dust cover by twisting it 1/4 turn clockwise until it's snug. If you remove the airbox on the driver's side, reinsert the lower half, tighten the 8mm bolt, and secure the 3 screws on the airbox cover. Finally, turn on your headlights to verify the new bulb illuminates properly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.